If your Epic Games Launcher downloads are crawling, stalling, or just refusing to move at a normal speed, this video is going to help you fix it fast. In this tutorial, I'll show you a few simple settings changes that can improve download performance on Epic Games Launcher, including checking the launcher's download limits, updating your DNS, and clearing your DNS cache to remove old connection data. These steps are beginner-friendly, quick to follow, and completely worth trying before you assume the problem is on Epic's side. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Epic Games Launcher on your computer and sign in if needed. Once you're inside the launcher, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This is where Epic stores a lot of launcher options, including download controls that can affect speed. Now scroll down through the settings until you find the Download Settings section. Here, look for the option that says Limit Download Speeds, or in some versions, Throttle Downloads. If that box is checked, it means Epic is intentionally restricting your download speed. To get the fastest possible download, make sure that box is unchecked. Once that setting is off, the launcher should be allowed to use your full available bandwidth, instead of being capped by a limit you may not have noticed before. Next, we're going to improve your network settings outside of the launcher. Press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Run dialog box. In the field that appears, type Ncpa.Cpl and press Enter. This opens your Network Connections window, where you can manage your active internet adapter. Find the connection you're currently using, whether that's Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and right-click it. Then choose Properties from the menu. In the list that appears, look for Internet Protocol version 4, also known as TCP/IPv4. Double-click it to open the IPv4 settings. Here, select Use the following DNS server addresses. This lets you manually set faster and more reliable DNS servers. In the preferred DNS server box, type 8.8.8.8. In the alternate DNS server box, type 8.8.4.4. These are Google DNS addresses, and they can sometimes help make your connection more stable and responsive. After entering both values, click OK to save the changes, then close out of the remaining windows. Now for the final step, we're going to clear out any stale DNS information that might still be slowing things down. Click the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, and open it as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig flush DNS and then press Enter. You should see a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. This helps remove old network records so your system can fetch fresh connection data. Once that's done, restart the Epic Games Launcher and try your download again. In many cases, these simple changes can make a noticeable difference in Epic Games' download speed. You've now checked the launcher's download cap, changed your DNS, and cleared your DNS cache, which gives you a much better chance of getting faster and more stable downloads. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick fixes, gaming tips, and helpful step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.